how I stopped struggling financially, and how you can too. I remember the stress of trying to make ends meet while caring for my loved one. The long days, the sleepless nights, and the consistent worry about money. Then I did my research and I found a way to earn online without sacrificing the care my family needed. And that's why I joined the Legacy Builder Blueprint, with its step-by-step guide to help caregivers like me and you create a flexible income online. Here's what you learn inside the Legacy Builder Blueprint. Easy online income streams that fit into your busy caregiving schedule. A step-by-step guide to freelancing, digital products, and passive income. Real-life success stories from other caregivers who turn their struggles into financial freedom. You don't have to choose between caregiving and financial stability. You can have both. And won't that be a perfect world? Now, for a limited time, I want to help 3 people this month of March 2025 to get started with the Legacy Builder Blueprint. You will not be sorry. So go to my website, enter your email address, and follow the steps to grab your copy of the blueprint today. Or you can send me an email, DM, or just leave a comment, and let's start building your legacy today.